I was walking through the valley, feeling all alone. The clouds were gathering heavy, like a weight on my bones. Thought the sun would break, give me warmth, a chance to see. But the sky just opened wide, and it poured down on me. With every drop that fell, I felt my heart sink low. When it rains, it pours, drowning in my fears. Every sorrow tumbles down like a river of tears. But I'll keep on walking through the tempest roar, knowing after every storm there's a chance for more. Watching reeds like raindrops, washing dreams in despair. Faded are the colors, everything's a shade of gray. When it rains, it pours, washing hope away. But through the storm I know this too shall pass. When it rains, it pours, drowning in my fears. Every sorrow tumbles down like a river of tears. But I'll keep on walking through the tempest roar, knowing after every storm there's a chance for more. So I'll dance the rain, fall free. But when it rains, it pours, it still can set me free.